Hi everybody, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to simply and quickly answer the question, is OneLaunch a virus? So absolutely not. OneLaunch is not a virus. It is not a computer virus. OneLaunch and the team behind OneLaunch Technologies that I work for, we absolutely build great software. And we would never imagine building software that would be counted as a virus. So of course I'm biased, but definitely OneLaunch software is not a virus and not something that you have to worry about. A virus, in very simple terms, is something that is going to harm you via your computer. It's going to be a problem for you on your computer, and OneLaunch is absolutely not that. But to not just be a biased person who works for the company in question, I think the best thing for me to do is actually show you the fact that we are flag free. We have no antivirus flags, and I can show you that via a third-party website called VirusTotal. VirusTotal is a website that you can upload a file, a software file, and scan it simultaneously with all of the biggest and top antivirus companies in the world. So let's do that right here live, just to kind of use a third party to confirm the fact that absolutely not, OneLaunch is not a virus. So I'm just going to download now. I'm here on onelaunch.com. I'm going to keep the file. So it's downloaded. I'm going to go back to the VirusTotal tab, and I'm simply going to pull over and then drag and drop the OneLaunch software file. VirusTotal will upload, scan, and share the results. So you can see here immediately scanning our OneLaunch software exe. See here, OneLaunch software exe, we have 0 out of 71 potential flags. So you can see this green tick mark. No security vendors and no sandboxes flagged this file as malicious. So absolutely not. We are undetected across the board. OneLaunch is not a virus. It doesn't have issues. It's not flagged by antivirus software. We're very proud of this, and we will absolutely keep it this way. So I hope this answers your question. OneLaunch is simply a desktop docked search application you see here at the top of my Windows PC. It's absolutely meant to be there to help, to make you more efficient and productive on your PC each day. And once more, it is absolutely not a virus. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy OneLaunch if you already have it installed, and enjoy OneLaunch if you're about to install it. Any questions, as always, please email us at support@onelaunch.com. Thank you very much.